Zach Paikoff here, and today I will be showing you how to square 1- and 2-digit numbers. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this first problem that we're going to solve is squaring the number 1. In other words, we are multiplying 1 times 1. So can anyone guess what that is? It's just 1. Because any number multiplied by 1 is always itself, as I said in the last video. So I'm going to be doing one more of these types of problems, and then I will be getting into 2-digit numbers. When we multiply 2-digit numbers, it can get a little confusing, but don't worry, I will be guiding you how to solve those types of problems. Okay, so this next problem we're going to be squaring the number 5. In other words, we are multiplying 5 times 5. Can anyone guess what that is? It's 25. So these last few problems, we're showing you how to square 1-digit numbers. Now we're going to be getting into squaring 2-digit numbers. It can be a little tricky, as I said before, but don't worry, I will guide you through the step-by-step process. And yeah, let's get into squaring 2-digit numbers. Okay, so this next problem, we are going to be squaring a 2-digit number. So we are squaring the number 23. In other words, we are multiplying 23 times 23. So 23 is just 20 plus 3. So we could square this by doing 23 times 20 plus 23 times 3. So 23 times 20 is 460, because 23 times 2 is 46, and all you do is just add a 0. And 23 times 3 is 69. When we add these two numbers up, we get 529. Another way you could double check your work is doing 23 squared. And it should give you the same answer, the 529. So I'm just going to type that into my answer box. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a couple more 2-digit numbers, and then that will bring me to the end of the video. Alright, so this next problem, we're going to be squaring the number 35. In other words, we're multiplying 35 times 35. So we know that 35 is just 30 plus 5. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to do 35 times 30 plus 35 times 5. So 35 times 30 is 1050. Plus 35 times 5, which is 175. When we add these two numbers up, we get 1,225. Another way you could double check your work is just by typing in 35 squared or 35 times 35. And it should give you the same result as when we added the two numbers together after multiplying them. So I'm going to be doing one more 2-digit number. So let's jump right into that one. The last problem that we're going to solve is squaring the number 47. In other words, we're going to be multiplying 47 times 47. So we know that 47 is just 40 plus 7. And the way that we're going to solve this problem is doing 47 times 40 plus 47 times 7. So 47 times 40 is 1,880. And 47 times 7 is 329. Add the two numbers up, and you get 2,209. Another way you could double check your work is typing in 47 squared or 47 times 47. And it should give you the same number, 2209. And that is how you square 2-digit numbers. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and enjoyed it, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!